In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your left Alt key and Windows key are swapped. Now what you want to do is just open up your on-screen keyboard right here. And what you want to do to fix this, if you're on Zoom 65, if you're using that, what you want to do is unplug your keyboard, then hold down your space and your backspace button. And then you want to plug the keyboard back in while you're holding these. Wait for like 3 seconds while you're holding those down at the same time as you plug it in. And then after a minute or something, it will start to factory reset. After that, it should work. If you're not using Zoom 65, what you want to do is try Fn plus S, try Fn plus A, try Fn plus W, try Fn plus L, or try Fn plus space. Now, if none of these work, another thing you can try is if you're X75 user, you can try Fn plus left control. Now, after you've done all of this, just try and restart your PC and it should hopefully work. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.